Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday I was chatting to an old friend of mine who's also a teacher, and I asked her how work was going at the moment. She looked slightly narked, slightly annoyed when I asked her this question, and then started complaining that basically she was up to her ears in work at the moment because a colleague of hers is on maternity leave at the moment, and my friend has been lumbered with all of her colleague's hours. She's basically covering for her colleague while her colleague's off having this baby, and so she's taken on loads and loads of extra hours. Oh, I sympathised. That must be quite hard work. To which she responded by saying, let's just say I'm not best pleased about it. If you say you're not best pleased about something, it's basically a kind of understated way of saying that you're really annoyed or irritated about it. So sometimes you see it, for example, when people post pictures of their pets. You might have a picture of a grumpy looking cat, and in the comment underneath you might say something like, as you can see from this photo, my cat's not best pleased about being given a bath. I also heard it in an interview this week where a business person from a small business was complaining about the way Brexit has impacted their business. And they said, well, Brexit has basically destroyed my business. So it's safe to say I'm not best pleased about the way the government has handled things. And if a colleague of yours has made a mistake or done something to irk, to annoy the boss, you might advise them to lie low for a while because the boss is not best pleased about what's happened. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use not best pleased.